Hey, hi guys, this is Hamid Khan, and you are tuned with Hamid Motivation. So, our today's topic is Time is Now. But before starting our today's topic, I would like to ask some questions to you. And my first question is, why did you give up on your dreams? Yeah, I'm again repeating it. Why did you give up on your dreams? Why did you settle the life which you are living right now? Why did you let the dream go which you have dreamed in your childhood, or which actually you wanted to live that dream? The dream that meant so much to you. भाई क्यों छोड़ा? Why did you let it go? And why did you give up on your dream? I can understand there could be a lot of reason. So I would just like to help you to make you and me understand, was it because you listened to those around you, जो आपके आसपास के लोग थे, उनको सुन के आपने अपना ड्रीम गिव अप किया, या फिर उन लोगों को देख के, दोज हु डिडंट रीच देयर ड्रीम, जिन लोगों ने अपने सपने कभी पूरे नहीं करे, उन लोगों को देख के आपने अपने ड्रीम को गिव अप किया? या फिर यू लिसन टू दोज पीपल जिन्होंने अपनी लिमिट्स आपके ऊपर पे थोपी? या did you listen to those people who imposed their limits on you? कि देख, मैं तो नहीं कर सकता था क्योंकि मेरे पास इतना पैसा नहीं था, मेरे पास इतने रिसोर्सेज नहीं थे, सोर्सेज नहीं थे। तेरी भी कंडीशन सेम है, तेरी भी लिमिटेशन सेम है। अगर मुझे ये ड्रीम नहीं मिला तो तुझे भी, यू विल ऑल्सो नॉट अचीव दिस ड्रीम। क्या ऐसे लोगों को सुन के, देख के, सोच के, समझ के आपने अपने ड्रीम पे गिव अप किया है? और हो सकता है कि आपकी फैमिली में या आपके एनवायरनमेंट में ऐसे लोग हों जिन्होंने ट्राई किया हो, they tried their level best to achieve what actually they wanted to achieve in their life, बट उन्हें नहीं मिला, तो हो सकता है आपको भी ना मिले। क्या आपके माइंड में भी यही सब चल रहा है? यही सब चल रहा है क्या? और इसी वजह से आपने अपने ड्रीम पे गिव अप किया है क्या? बिकॉज आज मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ यही बात करने वाला हूं कि वाई डिड यू गिव अप ऑन योर ड्रीम? आपने अपने ड्रीम को गिव अप क्यों किया? और अगर करने की सोच रहे हैं तो इस लाइव सेशन को एंड तक मेरे साथ बने रहना, क्योंकि जो मैं आज आपसे शेयर करने वाला हूं वो आपके रोंगटे खड़े कर देगा, वो आपको एक गूज बम्स देगा कि यार व्हाट लाइफ एक्चुअली आई एम गोइंग टू लिव। इफ यू हैव लेफ्ट, इफ यू हैव गिव अप ऑन योर ड्रीम, then again it will help you, and if you are going to give up on your dream, then again it will help you guys। हम जब भी कोई ड्रीम गिव अप करते हैं तो वो ऐसे ही गिव अप नहीं कर देते। वी डोंट गिव अप लाइक दैट, ओके गिव अप, इट्स डन। नो, whatever I have told you, whatever I have shared with you, actually it happens, that's why we give up on our dreams। आपने सुना होगा लोग आपको बोलते हैं, अरे बी रियलिस्टिक, बी रियलिस्टिक। ऐसा नहीं होता, ये सिर्फ किताबों की दुनिया में होता है, ये सिर्फ मूवीज में होता है, बी रियलिस्टिक। आपने ऐसा भी कहते हुए लोगों को सुना होगा, टेक दैट जॉब, फर्स्ट डू दिस जॉब, देन थिंक। पहले पैसा कमाना स्टार्ट करो, उसके बाद सोचना कुछ बड़ा करने की। So if you are in this trap, if you are in this big trap, जहां पर आपके सपनों को, आपके ड्रीम्स को चकनाचूर किया जा रहा है, And because of this reason, you are giving up. You are giving up on your dreams. Okay, tell me one thing. When you were young, जब तुम बच्चे थे, जब तुम जवान थे, adult life, college life और school life में थे, what type of life actually you were living? Tell me. There were no limits. There is nothing you cannot be. There is nothing you cannot accomplish, or no heights you cannot scale. ये आपको पता है. You know that. And this is the only reason that at the time you were on cloud nine. You were on cloud nine and you wanted to achieve each and everything in your life. But once you grow, once you come into the corporate culture, in the corporate market, in the life where a man or a woman has to establish them, has to earn their own, then when these dreams like vanish and go away, कहाँ जाते, कहाँ हैं ये सपने, ये एकदम से खत्म क्यों हो जाते हैं? Have you ever asked? So I have seen most people, most of the most people जिनके ambitions, beliefs सब खत्म हो जाते हैं, सब एकदम से. उनके जो ख्वाहिशें थी, उनके जो ड्रीम्स थे, सपने थे, वो सब खत्म हो जाते हैं. और एक ड्रीम टूटता है, दूसरा टूटता है, तीसरा टूटता है, चौथा टूटता है, और एक पूरी चेन बन जाती है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why it happens? Have you ever given a second thought on this? Guys, this world is filled with smart people. भरा पड़ा है जो इंटेलिजेंट और जीनियस, ब्रिलियंट पीपल हैं. This world is filled with those people. But just because they don't have strong belief system, just because they don't have strong faith, just because they don't have a great hope, they are giving up on their dreams. Though they are smart enough, they are intelligent enough, they are brilliant enough, they are genius enough, but still they are giving up on their dreams. Have you ever thought that man had everything in their life, in his life, but he had given up on his dream? Why? Have you ever asked why? He had a lot of money, he had a lot of resources, he had a lot of intelligence, but still that person had given up on his dream. Why? Because there is only one thing which they smart people didn't have. Yes, I can. They never ever thought and said these three words when they were pursuing or when they were chasing their dreams. Yes, I can. So many people say, most people fail. It's too risky and play it safe. So many people have told me this thing, that whatever you are going to do, it is too risky. And whatever you are going to do, most people have already failed in this particular game or the market in which you are. So play it safe. But I won't play safe. I will not play safe. I refuse to accept less than my potential. I refuse to accept less than my potential. Because I think whenever you start, you can achieve your dream. Whether you are 20 years old, 30 years old, 40 years old, or 50 years old. It is not too late. No, it is not too late. It's now time to regain your power. If you think you are 30, more than 30, more than 40, now the time has come to regain your power and to work on your dreams, which actually you have dreamed in your childhood, you have dreamed in your adulthood. The same passion, the same energy, positive energy which you had at that time. You just need to regain that power. And once you have got that power, it's not too late. It's not too late, not only for you, not only for me, for everyone. KFC is the best example of this talk which I'm doing with you right now. So I always say, I always say to my clients, my students, if you are breathing now, yes, right now, if you are breathing, that means you can achieve your dream, you can live your dream. It's not too late. It's not too late. The time is now to live. The time is now to go after the experiences which you want to live. The dreams you want to see in your reality. The abundance you deserve. The joy and potential that has been playing dormant inside you. It's not too late. The time is now. You are more than you think. You are capable enough to do whatever you want. Trust me. Take my words. Trust me. Because if it can happen with me, it could happen with you too. You can do it, man. You can do it. Now you will be thinking, how can I do it? How can I do it? Because whatever you are going to do, others have already been done it. Yes, जो भी तुम करने की सोच रहे हो वो ऑलरेडी ही बहुत सारे लोग पहले से कर चुके हैं. और कैसे कर चुके हैं मैं बताऊं. With less education, with less money, with less help, with less resources. There were no excuses. They just had a burning desire and they wanted to do that. That's why they did it. Yes. So the question comes, what do you need? You just need to sum up the courage. The courage. The only thing to live your dream, to live that life which you want to live, you need courage. If you need courage to say that I can do it and I will do it, you will definitely do it. But if you don't have that courage to say right now, in just right now, you can type in the comment box, yes, I can do it. If you have that courage to type right now, yes, I can do it, anything for my dreams, anything for my desires, then one day you will be living that life which you want to live, and you will call me, you will message me, sir, Hamid, I have achieved what I wanted to achieve. It's my promise to you. It's my promise. Because if you have that strength by which you can fight, if you do have that persistence to keep going until you see your dream and the presence to enjoy it when it comes, all these things will come if you will be having a courage to do something great in your lives, a courage to do something big in your life. Then only you will achieve what you want to achieve. So my dear friend, your time is now. right now you can start living your dream. Because आने वाले टाइम में जो मैं बोलने जा रहा हूँ वो चीज़ याद रखना, लोगों को ये मत बोलने देना कभी भी, आने वाले टाइम की बात कर रहा हूँ, लोगों को ये कभी मत बोलने देना, why did you give up on your dreams? Why did you give up on your dreams? Never ever let people tell this sentence to you. Instead of this sentence, let people tell this sentence to you. How did you make your dreams into reality? How did you make your dreams into reality? बोलने दो लोगों को, ये ध्यान रखना, लोग ये नहीं बोले why did you give up, लोग ये बोले how did you make it. So I hope समझ में आ गई होगी मेरी बात, that your time is now. Your time is now. Thank you.